plasti dipped them a little bit, and this is how the final product looks. So you have a small gap. Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to another in-depth car specs. As you guys can see on the thumbnail today, we are doing our own custom DIY front grill inserts for my car. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I haven't found any in the market, so I'm deciding to make it my own. Alright, so we're right here in Fusion 360. The first step that we did was I got this measuring device here, and I measured all the vents that the car has in the front. Then we moved on to Fusion 360, which is right now is the app that I'm using because school is giving it to me for free, and I guess why not give it a try, you know, make something, engineer something for my car. And 3D printing, I did tell my teacher to 3D print. He also has a 3D printer, and did not work. The piece was too big, so I contacted a couple people around the local area. I did 3D print it, and I'm gonna give you the price for what I printed. So I printed my grill inserts, and they cost 63 bucks. They were in a material called Nylon X, which is a plastic mixed with a filament of carbon fiber. That's what the guy told me. I don't know. I don't see the carbon fiber at all, but I guess we could say that. So these are the steps that I took. I did create a frame at first. I created 3 prototypes basically. There's 4 here because there's left side and right side for my final one. So I created this frame here, first one, and my second one tried adding a little bit of that indent for the air to be scooped up, since the back part has this styrofoam in the back, which is, I probably have to carve it out. I still haven't gone and checked from the back, but, and then this is the final one that I printed today. Just letting you guys know, when you're printing things and 3D printing them and stuff like that, these small details like that, especially for this item, these really don't matter. I mean, you can smooth them out with the sandpaper, but these were not they were not designed in the 3D print because they're so small of a detail that it doesn't catch it. Unless you go full on like professional mode and contact people that are professional at this, they'll print it for you and they'll do the small details and sand it out and stuff like that. But I had to sand it out myself. Anyways, we're outside, and as you guys can see, we have the 3D printed parts right here. They did come out a little bit whack, so I did plasti dip them a little bit, and I added some texture to it with I got pepper. I was gonna use sugar at first. I sprayed some pepper on top and then sprayed some plasti dip all over it, and it came out with this nice textury look, which I didn't want it at first, but then I was like, you know what, let's add it. Doesn't look bad at all. And yeah, that's how it looks. Anyways, let's get started real quick. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be cutting away. I don't know why it comes with those grooves like that from factory, just for looks, but I mean, they should have made it functional, you know, make it look nice. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna install these vents that are over here. These vents right there. And to take off the bumper, we need to take off these 10mm bolts that are located up top here where this metal groove is, metal tab, whatever, crush washer. There's 6 of those up here, and then there's 3 of the clips located up here as well. And these clips look just like these. And we do have 2 push pins on both sides, so I mean on either side. So right here there's 1 push pin, and on the other side as well there's another one. And then to finish off, we have 9 other push pins as well. They look like these. They're located all the way in the bottom of the car. So we're gonna start now. I am a little bit nervous just because I can't go back. So if I cut this and it comes out wrong, which is not going to, because I know it's gonna look good, but I'm a little bit nervous. So let's get to it. We're gonna start cutting. I did buy this today. This machine here to cut. It's a multi-tool Milwaukee saw. I did measure the outside. There's 2 lines. The inside one is too short, so I felt like it wasn't gonna look as good. I wanted a bigger hole. So I did make it on the outer edge, and yeah, let's get to it. Anyway, so I started cutting the inside line right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me show you guys. So you see how there's an inner line and then there's that outer lip. Started cutting the inside one just to practice how to cut first. So you got one side clean, and then we got this side. And it doesn't look bad, I would say. I did plasti dip it in black. I would prefer doing a carbon fiber vinyl, but I might do that in the future. Not right now though. Doesn't look bad, I would say. I want to see the final product though. See how it is. See, we did the hole. I sanded it a little bit just to be clean. I'm gonna take off all these little grooves that are popping off. Make it look nice. Obviously this is not gonna be visible, but clean look. It's always good. See this hole, it has this foam back here. I'm gonna have to cut up a little bit of this so it won't interfere with this. And it can also make it a little bit more functional, I would say. Because right there it has a small hole, which is not as functional. Either way, it can still go to the sides and stuff like that, or even under. But I am going to be cutting it just a little bit off there. So, here's the process right now. I just glued it on. I put those tips there so it won't move. I'm going to wait until tomorrow so you guys can see the final look. Doesn't look bad, to be honest. What's up everyone? Next day here. As you guys can see, I took off the tape. And this is how the final product looks. It looks OEM basically. It doesn't look bad. As you guys can see, yeah, I'm gonna get you the small details and stuff like that. Do have a small gap right here, which is not noticeable. From a far distance, of course, but from close up, it does. You can see it. Reason why is this is kind of like curved a little bit, and I created this 3D print very straight, so I would have to warm it up to bend it a little bit. But yeah, that's how it looks. And I'm gonna be adding a carbon fiber vinyl in the future to change up that color, because it doesn't match obviously the front part of it. They have like a kind of like a carbon fiber mesh to it, I would say. But yeah, we're gonna switch that up. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that grill inserts that I've made, and yeah, something creative that I've thought about, and hopefully you guys can incorporate it as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please do like, subscribe, and until next time, peace guys.